Blue Orb was founded in 1997 from dissertation research that I had done at the University of Central Florida. I was actually a graduate student there working on my dissertation, and because I was typing many hours per day, I was starting to feel numbness in my fingers. So the idea was born of developing a device that would eliminate finger motion and wrist motion, the two suspect activities in causing the carpal tunnel syndrome that I had. So what we developed was a new method of typing that basically eliminated finger motion and wrist motion, and that resulted in a product called the Orbitouch keyless keyboard. Touch, again, has two domes that slide in 8 directions. And you'll notice around this left dome we have 5 different colors, and each character around this right side dome has one of those 5 characters. Now to use this, what I want to do to type the letter A, which is in red, I move the dome to that zone of characters. It doesn't have to be directly at that character, but that group of characters. So when I move the dome to that group of characters, I now use this dome to type the letter A by moving to the red zone, B by moving to this yellow zone, C, D, and E by moving to the respective colors of those characters. I realized that there was potential in the video game space because the game controllers already have 2 joysticks built in. So we developed a small piece of hardware that plugged in between the game controller and the game console itself, so you can type with the 2 joysticks on the game controller, and have most recently made a software program that does exactly the same thing as that piece of hardware for PC gaming, a program called Switchblade.
Switchblade, we've designed a program that lets you use a game controller, specifically an Xbox 360 controller, when playing World of Warcraft. Normally when playing World of Warcraft, you play it with a mouse and keyboard. We're very used to the mouse and keyboard, and it works just fine for some people. There's still the appeal of the game controller. And besides that, there's the comfort of a game controller. You can lean back, you're leaning back as you sit, maybe got your feet up. It just feels more like you're gaming when you're playing with a controller.
Hoping to feed and continue to feed the technology of the video game application back to the assistive technology applications to drive down cost, to increase awareness, and to make the technology more affordable for the people that need it.